and welcome to Six Flags Discovery Kingdom. Come along as we show you around the thrill capital of Northern California. We'll show you what it's like on many of the park's top rides. Also, can't forget some of the newest and must-see shows with the cutest animals. There's certainly a lot to discover in this kingdom, so here's everything you need to know before visiting this unique Six Flags park. Here is a look at the park map. As you can see, lots to see, lots to do, and lots to fit in here during our Six Flags Discovery Kingdom Day. Got my friend Rena here joining me at our magical day.
It's harder than I expected. I was not prepared for that.
She said the more thrills, more fun, because this is in fact the thrill capital of Northern California. Now, if you want the ultimate thrills here at Discovery Kingdom, you're gonna want to come here to DC Universe. This is where many of the park's top roller coasters are, including the one we're about to hop on. This is the Joker. It is an RMC hybrid coaster. Rena's favorite here. I know Rena here, super thrilled to check it out.
Thrilled.
Should note, we can't record on the rides today. However, I did attend a media day back in 2021 for the Joker ride. Here's a look at what it's like on the coaster.
Oh my god,
Oh
wait!
wow, it's really been a while.
Oh yeah.
Ah! Oh, this is happening. We are doing this. Here we go. Hey everyone, we are here at Six Flags Discovery Kingdom. The park is reopening today for the first time with rides in over a year. There are new state guidelines allowing California parks to reopen. We are here on the Joker to show you what it's like to ride a roller coaster with a mask. My friend April is here. April, it's been a while since we've been able to do this.
It's been a long time. I'm so excited.
How are you feeling as we go to the first
nervous.
stop? It's been a really long time, and here comes the first stop. Okay, we're doing this. All right, we just got off the Joker roller coaster. Rena, what are your thoughts on it?
Not too bad. I honestly watched the ride POV before we went on because I was like a little nervous because he said it went upside down. I just didn't like how the seating was because like it's like the lap bar's right here, and I would prefer if it went over me like this, because I feel like if you go on an upside down coaster, even if it's for a second, like I feel more secure holding on like this instead of like somewhere here or here.
I think Six Flags made the right choice. Less restraint, more risk, more fun. More flags.
It was fun though. I felt like I was gonna fly out of my seat.
That's how you know you had a good time.
No, these roller coasters like mess me up.
Okay, one of the most underrated rides here at Discovery Kingdom is the Batman The Ride roller coaster. This one is an SNS 4D free spin coaster. Now, it may not look super intense from the ground, but I'm telling you, when you are on it and you are flipping, you're turning, you're upside down, it is truly way more intense. I got to attend the opening day media day event, had this POV, and as you can tell, I had a great time. Ooh, they're screaming, they're screaming. Take a look. Hey internet friends, I'm Austin Castro, and today we are here at Six Flags Discovery Kingdom on the new Batman The Ride. This is the first 4D free flight coaster in Northern California. Definitely the most innovative in the park. Yeah. Oh my god, we're going up 12 stories, a 90-degree hill. I'm here with Gus. Gus, are you ready for this?
No, I'm not good with
We
heights.
are so high. This is, oh my god, I'm not. Oh my god! We're fun! Oh, this is so fun! Yeah! We're so This is a great ride. Highly recommend it. Oh my god! It's opening tonight for Memorial Day weekend. Gus, we did it. Congratulations. I'm gonna go sit down for a second. Rena's been dying to get the ice cream of the future.
Future is here.
So now it's just ice cream. Hands down, the best flat ride here in the park is Wonder Woman Lasso of Truth. You better brace yourself for this one because you will be spinning, you will be getting hied up nearly upside down, 150 feet in the air. It is absolutely insane. Definitely one of my favorite flat rides, and who doesn't love Wonder Woman? I did attend the opening day media event, had this fun POV, take a look. Welcome to the all-new Wonder Woman Lasso of Truth ride. I would normally not go on a ride like this. Oh no, oh no. Oh my god, it's happening. Oh no. Ah! I'm like crying already. I am literally crying.
Is it bad?
One.
No.
Oh my god.
Eric, stop it, it's not funny. Oh no. I don't like
Two.
Oh no. No, no. Oh no. I'm not about this anymore.
3.
Oh no!
Okay, okay,
No!
that's
No!
cool.
No! Oh! Oh!
Okay. 7. 4.
No! No, this isn't fun anymore! No! 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 I don't like this anymore! No! Oh no! Oh! Oh shoot! No! 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 I don't like this ride! No! 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 This is not great! Shut up, Eric!
This is
Oh
really
no!
cool.
Oh no!
I really-
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Gosh,
Ah!
I am
Oh
living.
shoot!
Living.
Ah! Ah! Oh! Ah! Oh shoot!
Oh.
Ah! 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 Oh no!
cool. I'm
No!
so
Stop
glad.
that!
Wow.
No! No! Ah!
Man.
Ah!
Wow.
Ah!
Okay,
Ah!
okay, okay.
Oh!
Really, I feel
Are we
so
done yet?
I
Are we
feel
done?
so
Slow down. Slow down.
We
No.
are
No.
way past the
No. No. Ah.
So cool. I love this.
I don't like this. But you guys should check this out because this is a really cool ride. Oh no.
So cool.
Oh my god. What do you guys think of the ride? That was so much fun.
You can see everything.
I think you guys should head to Six Flags Discovery Kingdom to check this ride out yourself because, oh, I'm literally crying. You guys, I think you did a lot better than I did. This was fun. Now that we've gotten some rides in, time for our next show of the day. This is the So Flippin Fun Dolphin Show. Now, this is one of the newer shows here. It's described as a high-energy dolphin show that can only be so flippin' fun.
I used to be a dolphin in elementary school. That was that was my mascot.
That was so sad. We're gonna try that one more time at Toyota Stadium. Who's having a good time? Now that's more like it. Well, I'm DJ Echo here on location, and I'll be hosting this match.
This is what I consider probably the best roller coaster in Discovery Kingdom. This is Medusa. It is a floorless coaster that is 150 feet tall. Not gonna want to miss it. Definitely Rena's favorite. Rena, are you excited for this ride?
I don't know.
gonna be great.
It's a little too scary for me.
Did get to do a fun media day for this. Here's a look at what it's like to ride. This is happening. Oh boy, here we go. Oh my God. Oh boy, this is very high. All right, so it's a very early morning here at Six Flags, and you don't need coffee or caffeine when you're here on the biggest roller coaster in the park, the Medusa. I'm very excited, very ready to get woken up. How are you doing, Gus?
Pretty nervous on this ride, but let's hope that it goes on swimmingly.
Yeah, I'm still half asleep, so I think I'm gonna be very wide awake once we're done here.
And who needs caffeine?
Yeah, oh my God. The view here is gorgeous, but we're also very high, and once you go up, you have to go down. Here we go.
Almost.
Yikes. Oh boy. My body is not ready. Ooh. You can see the whole park from here.
You can.
It's a gorgeous view.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Oh, here we go.
Oh my God, oh my God. Yay. Ah! Ah! Oh boy, here we go. Ah! Yeah! My body's not ready. Ah! Ah! Woo! Yeah! Ah! Oh my God! Woo! Yes! Yeah! Oh my God! I'm wide awake now. Here we go. This is great. I'm having a great time. Ah! Oh my God! Yay! Ah! It's not done yet. Oh my God! Woo! That, wow, that was pretty crazy. I'm about to lose my voice by the time we're done here. Yeah, wow. 10 out of 10 would definitely recommend if you're here at Discovery Kingdom, you gotta hit up the Medusa.
I feel so immersed being here, like the environment, the Toyota car. So immersive.
All right, so we are about to head now on one of the newest roller coasters here in the park. This is Sidewinder Safari. Rena and I have never been on it, and I don't know if Rena can handle this.
I didn't even know this existed until he mentioned it like a few days ago.
Yeah, it just launched a few years ago. It's a good like family style coaster, very similar to Primeval Whirl in Magic Animal Kingdom.
Rest in peace.
But it's here. If you close your eyes, it's like we're in Animal Kingdom. Time now for one of the animal shows. We are here at Sea Lion Stadium for the Seals and Sea Lions Discovering Pinnipeds show. I know Rena here is a big seal and sea lion fan, isn't that right?
Yep. So excited.
She was dying to come here. You won't find a show like this at any other Six Flags park. Rena's just laughing with excitement here.
Yep.
So excited.
Very similar to a bird flapping. On land, those big front flippers are also used to hold a majority of their weight. They are large animals. But the amazing, again, that's at Seal Cove or on our coast. I can guarantee California sea lion. We do things such as body checks. We'll check all over their body, any bumps, scrapes, lumps that weren't there before, early on. And if you were to catch something, we do these husbandry behaviors beginning of every single session. Specialist Jen. All right, guys. Is he a bird? Is he a plane? Is he messing around? But so, you guys might notice. So, Chief is doing these behaviors almost as soon as Jen. All right. This is the tough one, guys. Seals or sea lions? They are seals. Indeed. These are Pirate and Dyson. Two of our harbor seals. I love it when they come out together. Each look a little bit different. Anyways, that's leading into the next point. Not quite as agile as their sea lion friends. In the water, though, believe it or not, they are pretty much as fast-paced. And when you want another closer taste, come back and visit us here at Six Flags Discovery Kingdom. Thank you guys so much, and enjoy the rest of your day.
I just love how empty it is right now. Like, it's just such a vibe. Just having this area to ourselves.
What do you think of the theming here, Rena?
I feel so immersed once again with this Toyota car. Like, roller coasters, Toyota. Never felt so immersed. Perfect theming. Perfect.
That's a wrap on our super fun day here at Six Flags Discovery Kingdom. Had so much fun between all the rides, the shows.
I really loved both the animal shows, the dolphins, the sea lions, the seals.
Yeah.
They're so cute.
Super cute. It's
I
like,
want to take some home.
right, it's like part zoo, part theme park. I mean, that's just the magic that is Discovery Kingdom. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about what it's like to attend Discovery Kingdom. And if you did like this video, be sure to hit that like, subscribe, and bell button down below. And we will see you next time on the internet.
Hi,
Welcome
nice
to
to
my
meet
meet and
you.
greet. How are you? Good to meet you. What's your favorite part about VidCon?
All the dolphins here.
Oh my god, right? There's so many dolphins and they don't even look real, right?
I know. Oh my
so
god.
cool. Oh, I'm so happy you're having a good time.